In this video, we will explain how to check for voltage in a Winston 8000 series Collectramatic fryer. First, check the serial sticker located in the bottom left-hand corner of the fryer's front panel to determine the fryer's phasing and voltage rating. Next, toggle the power switch on and drop the front panel by removing the 4 screws holding the panel in place. The right-hand relay is the main powering relay where incoming voltage from the wall can be measured. In this video, the power cord wires are inserted into terminals labeled L1, L2, and L3. To measure the incoming voltage, place the leads of the voltmeter on terminals L1 and L2. The voltmeter should detect approximately 208 volts or 240 volts depending on the rating of the fryer. Repeat this process 2 more times by testing from L1 to L3 and L2 to L3. Voltage can also be tested in the secondary contactor. This voltage reading is taken at the terminals of the elements. These elements are measured from left to right, moving from top to bottom. Measuring voltage across the elements also requires the contactor to be engaged. Ensure the heat light is on, or listen for the clicking sound the contactor makes when it engages. Place the leads of the voltmeter on the terminals of the top heater from left to right. With the relay engaged, the voltmeter should detect approximately 208 volts or 240 volts depending on the rating of the fryer. Repeat this process for the middle and bottom heaters.